Hi, welcome to Jen's Daily Dish. Today we're making a Skillet chocolate chip cookie. Yes, Skillet. Have you been to a restaurant and you've seen on the menu that hot chocolate chip cookie that comes out in a skillet and that you have taken by the spoonfuls and eaten and said, wow, this is so good? Well, we're going to be making that today. And I've made lots of chocolate chip cookies, lots of different recipes. I'm recommending this one out of all of them. And this comes together quickly. We throw it in a cast iron pan or some sort of oven-proof skillet. And then we get to eat it warm out of the oven. Well, okay, we're gonna wait 5 minutes, but then we're gonna eat it. And it is going to be good. Oh, yes, it is. And it comes together so quickly. Why didn't I make this before? I don't know, but we're gonna find out how quickly this comes together and we're gonna eat it. And of course, this song goes along with it perfectly. Smile because a cookie we're making. Smile filled with chocolate we're baking. Out of the oven we will eat. Can't be beat. Take a seat too, because this is going to be gone in nanoseconds. I've got a good feeling about this. First things first, preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Feel free to use a mixer, but we're going to do it by hand today. Unsalted room temperature butter, dark brown sugar, granulated sugar. Beat together until perfectly smooth and creamy. Add your egg and a lot of vanilla. This is a tablespoon. Paste or extract works just fine. Mix together. Mix your dry ingredients together. All-purpose flour, baking soda, salt, and the optional half teaspoon of espresso powder. I think it's a must. Mix together. Add your dry ingredients to your wet ingredients. Mix together. I have excluded the walnuts from this recipe, so I'm using double the chocolate chips. Spread the batter in your pan. It will look a little thin, but don't worry about that. It's going to be just fine in the oven. I switched to a spatula because it's making this much easier. Into the oven for 20 to 22 minutes. It should be golden brown and slightly gooey in the center. Oh yes, gooey chocolatey. It is looking golden brown. Let's see if it's ooey gooey in the center. That is looking great. We get to eat this warm, but wait 5 minutes. 5. All right, let's cut a scoop out. Oh my goodness, delicious. Woo! Look at that. All right, look at this chocolate chip in the skillet cookie. Quite frankly, that does not do it justice because my kitchen smells like a heavenly warm chocolate chip cookie. I have a giant chocolate chip cookie in the skillet itself. And now I get to take a bite of this, which you could serve with ice cream, caramel sauce. Heck, you could even make your own sort of s'mores with marshmallows and graham crackers. The possibilities are endless, but let's give it a taste. And I am using a spoon appropriately so because it is ooey gooey. Take a look. Okay, let's give it a bite. Now this makes me smile and can make me smile all day long. What you have left over, you can just keep like a regular chocolate chip gooey cookie that you have made and it will keep for a few days at room temperature. So there's that too. This will make you smile too. If I can make a Skillet chocolate chip cookie for the very first time with you watching me every step of the way, you can too. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check me out on Instagram for so much more.